project idea, milk and milk products sales and delivery. This is the project title. Let's see that what all we can do in this particular title. So it's a combination of online sales and then delivery. Online sales and delivery. So delivery like Zomato and all. So they deliver the product, right? So here also same concept. So here we can have admin module. Then you can have customer module. Then delivery. So delivery boy. Three modules. So in the admin, so admin can log in. So this is the first you start with the main page, website main page. Then options. So in the options you can have three options: admin, customer, delivery. Then admin can log in. You go to main page. So in a main page you can have these options. So one is product category. So this is the category form and the corresponding list. So this makes two pages. This is one category entry and the corresponding list. There are two pages. Then the product details. Then the corresponding list. So another two pages. Then so when the customer sign up. So here customer sign up, then they can log in. So once they log in, so they go to main page. Again they also see the product list here. Product list. Now they can have a place order. Then they have to make the payment. Now customer sign up. So here you can see the customer list. Customer list. Then their order list. Order list. Then the payment list. Payment list. This will come here. Payment list. Now the delivery boy, they can sign up again. So if the delivery boy sign up, then it will be approved. Okay. So delivery boy approved. So admin has to approve that one. So if is approved, then only they can log in. Otherwise they cannot able to log in. So on approval they can log in. Now they can view the orders, order list. Order list. So here they can select which are the orders they can able to deliver. Select for delivery. So then deliver. If they deliver the product that will come, they can select it. For example, here is the list of the items they selected. So order number. So this is the date, product, delivery. So if we say select here, means that the product will be delivered. So then delivery list. Whatever they deliver, that list will come. So there is another page. So on this side, here also you can have see that delivery list, who deliver the which product. Delivery list, that will come here. So even customer can also see the delivery list, which boy will deliver the list, whether they received or not, they can check it out here. So with that we can have one FAQ, so frequently asked questions. So this will come here, FAQ list. So customer can able to see the SMS list. So if you make this much, so it's around 30 to 40 pages, so the whole project. So because this is a web application, you can write this application in different languages. So when a web application, so web application, so you can have it 4 options. So one is you can do it in ASP.NET with C# language with backend Microsoft SQL Server. This is the one segment. The other one is Java JSP. With that you can use the MySQL as a backend. Then with that HTML and JavaScript is the common thing. HTML, JavaScript. So you can also do it in the PHP. So in PHP even these things will come same as it is. So you can do it in Python also. You can have a different framework, or pure Python also can be used, and the same concept can be utilized. So here also MySQL and these things can be utilized. So these are the 4 segments for a web application you can do it. So in case there is Android app too, then you can make it as an Android also. Fine. For more, please subscribe to our channel. So we'll come out with more ideas. So what you think about this project, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're thinking. Thank you.